Hi guys, hi, what's up? My name is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to give you guys my top 5 favorite highlighters. There are so many highlighters here, and I just wanted to go ahead and just share my top favorites with you guys. There are some gems here that I found, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown on what I love, because you know we all need to like glow a little. All right, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so one of my favorite highlighters is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is the Glow Kit. This is how it looks, and then this is a quad. It has 4 highlighters here, and from all of these, my favorite one is Dripping in Gold. Aren't the names so cute? Yeah, so Dripping in Gold is one of my favorite highlighters. It is so pretty. It's as if you want kind of like a more subtle gold highlight. This is what you would go for. They also have Sunburst, which is this one, Golden Bronze, and Bubbly. So there are a lot of times that I usually just mix all of them depending on what I'm in the mood for, but from all of them, Dripping in Gold is my favorite. And then this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit retails for $40. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next highlighter. This one is the Mineralized MAC Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. This one is one of my favorite ones. This is like an everyday, you know, if you want a little bit of glow, like everyday kind of glow. This one was given to me by my sister. My twin sister Rosa, she loves highlighter, so she gave me this one, and ever since she gave it to me, I've been obsessed with. This is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. It gives you a little bit of a shimmer, and it's really soft and gentle like it says it is. It actually gives you a really nice soft glow, which I love. And this one retails for $36. It's worth it, and it literally like it lasts forever. Like I've been digging, and it's so good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move to our next highlighter, and my next favorite highlight is actually this Ofra highlighter that I've been obsessed with ever since I got it. All right, so I'm taking off the tape because it fell and it broke, and I don't want it to shatter, so just being a little ghetto and just trying to keep it sealed. All right, so the next highlighter that see, what did I tell you guys? I'm like dropping everything. This is how it opens, like this, pero se me cayó, so it broke. So the next highlighter that I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys is the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This highlighter, dude, you need just a tiny bit because it's super pigmented. If you guys have this highlighter, you guys know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, oh my god, look, it's super bright. It's beautiful. I love it. You literally just need a little bit, because if you put too much, I mean, who says what's too much? Yeah, but this highlighter, this one is, well, it's not my favorite from all the 5 ones that I have here, for this is my second favorite for sure. But yes, this Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter is a must in your makeup collection. And then this highlighter retails for $29. This one is worth it, so worth it. It's literally my top 2. So the next highlighter that I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys is the Bobbi Brown highlighter, and this one is in the color Bronze. That's how this one looks. This is a really pretty highlighter. I love the fact that it has different colors. Like you see here, it has different colors. It's not just, you know, like a bright shining white. It actually gives you like a bronze highlight. So this is a swatch of the Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze. I love this one. If I really don't want anything like too bright, you know, too shiny, I usually go for this one just because of all the other colors that it has. That gives you a little bit of flecks of pink, brown, gold, which I love. So this is my other go-to highlighter. If you guys do not have it, this is also a must. But I mean, not everyone likes these colors, so it's just your preference really. And then this Bobbi Brown Shimmery Brick retails for $25. And then lastly, which is literally my favorite highlighter of all time. It's like hands down the best highlighter. I'm sure some of you guys know which one I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about. My favorite highlighter ever is, how many of you guys guessed it, is the Wet n Wild loose highlighter powder in the color So Lit. This one, it's beautiful. If you guys saw my other video when I tried it on for the first time, a little bit goes a long way. Just with a little bit of air, I'm sure you guys will get enough of that pigmentation. But look, it's beautiful. Look, how beautiful. And that was just a tiny speck that I got. This is literally hands down one of my favorites. Now I know why everyone was like talking about this, raving about this, because this highlighter, it is amazing quality for the price that it really is. I mean, Wet n Wild, you guys are coming up. And you guys won't believe how much this one is. $5.99. I mean, come on. $5.99. This is amazing. So if you guys learned anything from this video, is that you guys need this highlighter. This highlighter is bomb.com. All right guys, well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are eager to go out and try a new highlighter. So if you guys love this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and just click the little link down below, hit that notification bell just so you know when I do upload. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Do not forget to go ahead and get the So Lit highlighter. Once you guys get this highlighter, you guys are gonna thank me.